Starting the class, please. Beta, are you added in new maths group? Divya? New maths group you are added or not? Okay, that's what. I was just wanting to know that they have added you or not. See, look at. We are going to go for some of the very important question revisions of 3D. Okay, because 3D is always creating problem and students are having problem in understanding. See, look at. So some one distance formula question I taught now, foot question was there. One very important question was there. Sanjana, good evening. So Podigeshwar had a doubt in one question. That doubt question first I have. First I am going to, because they are tomorrow they are having pre-board examination, beta. See, the question here was the foot of the perpendicular related questions. He was having doubt. Let's talk about that question. I'm doing that question. This is CBSE 2023 question. Everyone, please kindly join that question. Learn this question. CBSE 2023. Find the foot of the perpendicular. Find the foot of the perpendicular. Check here very nicely, beta. Find the foot of the perpendicular. Foot of the perpendicular. That means this is exactly the base, and here one perpendicular is exactly drawn. So you have to find the foot of this perpendicular. We will name it as L. Understood? Find the foot of the perpendicular from the point. So this point will be considered as from the point 0, comma 2, comma 3. From the point 0, comma 2, comma 3 on the line, which line beta? On the line x plus 3 by 5 equal to y minus 1 by 2 equal to z plus 4 by 3. Now beta, everybody pay attention for this equation. Write nicely, understand this part nicely. The Blessing School information informed that 3D is there in the syllabus. Okay. Now look at it. So what is this point equation given to you? It is given as 0, comma 2, comma 3. Understood? Now beta, what is the equation of this line given? Equation of this line is given as x plus 3 by 5 equal to y minus 1 by 2 is equal to z plus 4 by 3. Now with the help of this beta, what we need to do? So first work is, our first important target here is, we need to find this value x, y, z. Understood? So this point x, z in terms of lambda we need to. So here x plus 3 by 5 is equal to lambda. Then what is coming? X is equal to 5 lambda minus 3. We are going to find the value of y. So y will be equal to 2 lambda plus 1. Done? Beta, because this time, first time what we did? We took this part. This section is equal to lambda v2. We got the value of x. Then second one, we took this one equal to lambda. We got last part is this section z is equal to 3 lambda minus 4. Now, beta x, y, z, because foot of the perpendicular is needed. So, here foot of the perpendicular part is what? X, y, and z. So, instead of x, what you can write? 5 lambda minus 3. So, instead of x, what you can write? 5 lambda minus 3. And beta, instead of y, what you can write? 2 lambda plus 1. And instead of z, what you can write? 3 lambda minus 4. So this is L came. Got it? L in terms of x, y, z was there. So now we have written this in times 5. Is the video okay, beta? Yeah. I think, Podi, are you there in the group, beta? Now is it okay? Because I changed the network, beta. I changed the network. Now I hope it is okay. Now look here. It is coming as x, y, z part came x plus 3 by 5, y minus 1 by 2, and z plus 4 by 3. It is getting converted into x, y, z. Now L point we got. See, we must remember that the direction. We need to find what? We need to find the point, this point. Understood? Because they told find the foot of the perpendicular. So here to get the foot of the perpendicular, we need to find direction ratios. Understood? And how to get direction ratios of 2 points? You need to remember. So see, listen. When 2 points in a line is given, then how to get the direction ratio? X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, and z2 minus z1. So this is a way to get the direction. Understood or not? So we will write coordinate of L is what, beta? 5 lambda minus 3, 2 lambda plus 1, and 3 lambda minus 4. Now coordinate of point we got, direction ratio of PL will be what? Direction ratio of PL is, now beta, this one is considered as x1, y1, z1, and this is x2, y2, z2. How to get direction ratio of 2 point A, x1, y1, z1, and B, x2, y2, and z2. How to get the direction ratio of AB? To get the direction ratio of AB, we write x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, and z2 minus z1. So what is this point here is? Here this minus 0 and this minus 2 and this minus 3 will become direction ratio along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So direction ratios of PL will become 5 lambda minus 3 minus 0. Next part will become 2 lambda plus 1 minus 2, and third one will be 3 lambda minus 4 minus 3. Till here direction ratios we got, beta. After getting the direction ratios, so this is direction ratios of PL. This is direction ratios of PL. Now what is the direction ratio of this line L? Today morning itself I taught, see, this will become the direction ratios. In vector format, always remember this part. In vector format, always remember the vector which is giving direction will give you direction ratio. The vector which is giving direction will give you direction ratio. So one example I am going to do that so that you can understand this part, then I will continue. Now beta, this is exactly the vector part. This is the constant point and this is coming as x1, y1 and z1. Today morning taught na. So this part equation will become B vector and B vector will be coming, come on say, AI, BJ and CK. Now beta, this is giving direction to this vector. This is giving direction to this vector line. This is the vector line and beta OA is there and this is resultant B, this is R vector. So this vector is giving direction to this one. So beta, since this is giving direction to this one, this will give you direction ratios. This will give you direction ratio. Beta, how we are presenting this equation? One fixed point is there on the line. Vector which is giving direction is there. So how we are writing the equation? R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. This is B vector and this part will become A vector. And in Cartesian format, how we are writing? X minus x1, Praveen, x minus x1 by A. You know this or not? And then beta, y minus y1 by B and z minus z1 by C. Understood? Now beta, what is ABC? Very good. ABC is considered as direction ratios. So that means what beta? Direction ratio of line will be what? Good evening Shivaranjani. What is the direction ratio of line L? This is direction ratio. This is direction ratio of PL. Now beta, direction ratio of line L is, what is direction ratio? 5 to 3. 5 comma 2 comma 3. Now since both the lines are perpendicular now, both the lines are perpendicular to each other, correct now? Now we will say PL is perpendicular to L. So if two lines are perpendicular, then their product of direction ratio will become equal to 0. So this one will become A1, B1, C1. This one is A2, B2, C2. So product of their direction ratio means A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 will become equal to 0 beta. So this one, that is 5 lambda minus 3 will multiply with what beta? 5. Now 2 will multiply with 2 lambda minus 1 and 3 will multiply with 3 lambda minus 7 and this will become equal to 0. So when two lines are perpendicular, who is giving you the angle? The direction ratios are giving angle. The direction ratios are giving angle. Note down, this is one of the most expected question and this question already came in CBSE 2024. 2024 CBSE formatted question. Definitely don't miss this type of questions, beta. So once you did like this, now only you have to find lambda. So now 5 5s are 25 lambda minus 15 plus 4 lambda minus 2 plus 9 lambda minus 3 7s are 21 equal to 0. Now 25 plus 4, 29, 29 plus 9 is 38 lambda and here it is coming as 21 minus 38 equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 1. Once you got lambda is equal to 1, then foot of the perpendicular L was 5 into 1 minus 3. It is coming as 2 and then lambda here is 1. 1 minus 1 will become, check here, minus 1. It is 2. Lambda is 1 now. 2 minus 1 will become 1 and then here lambda is 1. So answer is coming as minus 3. So foot of the perpendicular is 2, 1 and minus 4. I hope Bodhi is watching this. This is exactly a way to solve beta. Check this one out. Huh? Ama. Where? Here also you can. Then here it will come lambda. Okay, this point you are telling. Now I put in direction ratio. Danger. We have to put in L. Now L is coming as what? L is coming as 2 and then it is coming as 3 and then it is coming as minus 1. 2, 3 minus 1. Okay. The foot part is coming as 2, 3 minus 1. We'll go for the next question, beta. See, one question Podi has asked like this. One more question, image formation question is there. Wait, I'll teach that question also. This question also came in board exam. We'll solve this type questions also. Are you ready for it? Next level question, beta. Then we will go for different type of 3D questions. 3D questions means what and all different type of questions they are asking. One time we are going to. Can you, ma'am, can you image formation? 2, 3 minus 1. Correct only, beta. 2, 3 minus 1 I did, right? Yes, we can do image formation in the question. Now, beta, look here. Now, after getting this, now we can make image formation directly. Now, beta, what is this point is coming as? L point is coming as 2, 3, and minus 1. P point is coming as what, beta? P point is coming as 0, 2, and 3. Now, this is L. Now, its image is coming here as Q. Now, image is equidistant, so we know that PL is equal to LQ, beta. Because image, object distance is equal to image distance. Let P will become object. Understood? So once object we are getting, image will be coming as what? This one will become as image. So object distance PL is equal to LQ. So that means what this will become? This will become L will become midpoint. L will be what, beta? Midpoint. So here 2 will be equal to, first for x axis we will write 0. This point we will consider as x1, y1 and z1. So this image point if they will ask, or image distance they will ask, then we will do like this, beta. So here 2 will be equal to 0 plus x1 divided by 2. So x1 is coming as 4. So x1 part is coming as 4. Now beta, 3. 3 will be equal to 2 plus y2 by 2. So 6 minus 2 is equal to y2. So y2 is coming as 4. So this point is coming as 4. Now look at middle point. Middle is minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to 3 plus z1 equal to 3 plus z1 divided by 2. So here it is coming minus 2 minus 3 equal to z1. So z1 is coming as minus 5. Understood? So this is object and this is image. In one question we have done object also and image also. I hope you might have understood. So this is a way to solve 3D questions, and always remember some of the techniques and trick point. Podi, I have solved this question, beta. Another one question is given. I hope Kishore, yes, Kishore. Now, beta, we will do. So, Kishore, we have done. Divya, we have done this part, beta. So, one question they are asking like this. We have done this question. Okay. Now, another question. One question is there. Mostly from foot of the question and this difference related questions, they have asked again and again this question. From this section, they have asked one question, beta. Distance related questions also they have asked. So let's solve one question. This question is NCRT question. one question they have given to find angle. Now angle finding question means how we are going to solve. Today morning itself we have solved. Now one more time angle finding question I am doing, so that you can understand, because this time twisted question I am writing how to find angle. Remember one thing. So first part is beta, just understand format I am going to tell you first. So look here, x minus x1 by a1 plus, sorry, equal to y minus y1 by b1 equal to z minus z1 by c1. This is one line L1. Got it? Now beta, another line L2 is x minus x2 by a2 equal to, this part we will take it as lambda, y minus y2 by b2 equal to z minus z2 by c2 is equal to mu beta. Always remember this is coming from parallel support. So this one first line L1 I am drawing. So if I am drawing line L1, then what is the fixed point here? The fixed point here is A, that is x1, y1 and z1. The fixed point is coming as A, x1, point of intersection. Okay, beta. So x1, y1 and z1 coming. Now beta, this point is coming, then parallel support is B vector. So B vector is giving what beta? A1i plus B1j plus C1K. We got this one? Huh? So this is B1. So parallel one will give you direction ratios. So this is what beta? Direction ratio of line L1. So this is what? Direction ratio of line L1 is A1, B1 and C1. Understood? So that means this is direction ratio and this is coming from what? Parallel. So this always, for this one point is given in a vector. So the direction, the one vector which is giving direction, the one vector which is giving direction will give you what beta? It will give you the direction ratios. So now here direction ratio of line L2 is A2, B2 and C2. So definitely L2 line will be somewhere, and this, so beta, how to find angle between them? Formula is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by, what is the formula say? Root under A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into beta, what it will come? A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square is equal to cos theta. Understood? So this is a way of writing point of intersection question I am going to solve. Now look here beta. So when we are writing this, now if the lines are perpendicular, understood? So the direction ratio will become, so most of the concept we are using when lines are perpendicular means if this line is perpendicular to this line, that means their direction ratio product will become equal to 0. That means A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 will become equal to 0. And direction ratios are coming from where, beta? Direction ratios are coming for I hope you might have understood this one. Understood or not? Till here it is okay, beta? Hmm? Now intersection part I am going to start. Now look here. So now beta, this type question, intersection question, one part is there that the skew symmetric lines are there now, intersection points they are asking. So now let's solve one question. Get ready for it, please. Let me get one question. I'll get one intersection question. I'm searching an intersection question. Fine. We'll solve one question in between. I'm going to search some questions of intersections, line intersecting each other. Okay. Then we'll solve. Yes, I got a question. Okay. Question is Anuj and Tara. Write down this question, beta. Anuj, this one writing. Okay, note down. This formula, note down, please. After that, I'll do intersection question because they asked this question. Now look, beta. One question is there. Please focus into this question. Anuj and Tara are flying kites. Write down. Anuj and Tara are flying kites. Okay. After that, you check this one out. Anuj and Tara are flying kites from the roof, from their rooftop, from their rooftops. Okay. So that means what? Anuj is at the roof or Tara may be at the roof. Understood? And there beta, from there they are exactly doing what? They are flying kites. Anuj kite string is represented by the line. So Anuj kite na, it is represented by the line. Anuj kite is represented by this line. Equation of that line is x minus 4 by 1, naughty children, x minus 4 by 1 equal to y minus 2 by 3 equal to z minus 1 by 2. This is equation of line for Anuj. Understood or not? This is exactly equation of line for Anuj. Straight line means the, yes, the string equation. Tara position is at, now Tara is here, and Tara position is exactly, her string is perpendicular. So her string is perpendicular. Tara position is 2i minus 2j plus k, and her kite string is perpendicular, okay, to Anuj kite. So her kite is exactly going perpendicular to Anuj kite. This is the kite of Tara and this is the kite of Anuj. Okay. Find out how far, right? Find out how far Tara is from where the kite string intersect. From where the kite string intersect. So from from the place of intersection only they are asking. From the place of intersection they are asking. Understood? From the place of intersection they are asking. So how far it is exactly going to be? Now let's check this one out. Everyone, are you there online or not? Can I stop the online part? So now look here, beta. This is exactly equation given. Already we know that first you convert it into lambda part, beta. Get converting into lambda section. So this equation is given now. We will make it equal to lambda. First we will get the point P. P will be represented in the form of lambda only. Correct? Na? Same equation. Everything will be same only. What? How? Look here. This line equation is given na. This kite equation, this line, this string equation is beta. So here in this question, beta, Anuj is flying a kite. This is kite of Anuj, and this is kite of Tara. Okay. Now Anuj kite line equation is x minus. This is the equation for Anuj kite, and this is the equation. This is exactly the string which is having kite, and this is Tara. So she is telling what question they're asking. Find out how far Tara is from where the kite string intersect. So this is the location for Tara. So PT and this is PA. Understood? Now, beta, first point what we will do is this is the position of Tara. So that means this point will become what? This point will become 2 minus 2 1. P point will become 2 minus 2 1. What is your biggest challenge is to get P point? Got it? How we will get P point, beta? Now this is the equation. Anuj line equation given as x minus 4 by 1, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 1 by 2, and that is equal to lambda, beta. So the first point is we will get this point P. What we will do? We will get this point P. How to get this point P, beta? So how to get this point P? To get this point P, it will be written as x minus 4 by 1 equal to lambda. So x will be equal to 4 plus lambda. Now y minus 2 by 3 is equal to lambda. So y is equal to 3 lambda plus 2. Now beta z minus 1 by 2 is equal to lambda. Z is equal to 2 lambda plus 1. So now P point is coming as, instead of, because P point is intersecting point xyz. So now P will be written as 4 plus lambda, 3 lambda plus 2, and then beta 2 lambda plus 1. Now beta we have to find the direction ratio of PT. We have to find the direction ratio of PT. So when you have to find the direction ratio of PT beta, how we will find the direction ratio of PT? So direction ratio of PT will become 4 plus lambda minus 2. Now 3 lambda plus 2, minus of minus will become plus 2, and then beta 2 lambda plus 1 minus 1. So this will become direction ratio of PT. Now beta, what is the direction ratio of AP? Which one is direction ratio of AP? Who will say? 1, 3 and 2. Correct? So direction ratio of AP is 1, 3 and 2. Now since both the lines are perpendicular to each other, so since PT is perpendicular to AP, the product of their direction ratios will become equal to 0. Okay. So beta first, I hope you might have understood 4 lambda minus 2 we have done now. So it is coming 4 minus 2 will become 2 plus lambda. 2 plus lambda into 1 plus 3 lambda plus 4 into 3 plus 2 lambda into 2, that is 4 lambda, and that will become equal to 0. What is the value of lambda coming beta? Lambda plus 2, 9 lambda plus 4 3s are 12 plus 4 lambda equal to 0. So 9 plus 10, 10 plus 4, 14. Correct na beta? 14 lambda is equal to minus 14. So lambda equal to minus 1. Once you got lambda is equal to minus 1, now we will substitute here. So your P point is coming as what beta? 4 minus 1, 3. Then minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, and then minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Got it? Now beta, your point, this point is P, and Tara distance is, Tara point is what beta? 2 comma minus 2 comma 1. So this distance only we have to find. So how we are going to find distance? PT is equal to 3 minus 2, 1 square, and then this, so this minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1 square, minus 1 is minus 2 square. So it is coming root under 6 units. I hope you might have understood beta. Okay. So this is exactly how to solve question. This is the way we can solve the questions. That how can I say beta? I hope till here we have done. Correct, na beta? So this is one part question. Now we are going to start another part question today. So I'm just starting children. That is another section, because 3D means this type questions are coming for 3D. Okay. With a direction ratio of PT, direction ratio of AP. and then product of the direction ratio is giving us lambda is equal to -1, and then distance pt is coming as root under 6 units. Okay. So now beta, we are going to go again, start the class, and we are going to write this time AOD, application of derivative case studies we will do. This time we are going to do application of derivative case. One question Podi asked, intersection point question, I will ask him. If any question he is having, then I will solve that. Personally, I will give him. Thank you so much, beta. Bye.